Wow. Leo manze, wow.
Subscribe to Holy J. Holy J TV. Are you holy?
Hello guys and welcome to Holy J TV. Of course it's your boy Holy J, your #1 infotainment news plug. Manze, kama uja subscribe kwa hii channel, kindly consider doing that because great content is coming, and thank you so much team Holy J manze. Ile support unaendelea kunionyesha, I salute you guys. So leo niko na story moja ajab sana manze. If you're a big fan of gengeton music, then you must be knowing an artist by the name ODI wa MURANG'A. So it happens that today is his birthday and he has received a very big gift from who he has said is his fan. Amepatiwa gift hapo hivyo ya Toyota Crown kama ile ya Mungai hivi, na ameingia pale hivyo kwa mtandao ku-express thanks zake, kuambia huyo fan wake asanti. Fan wake anaitwa Jijiwanji. Tutaweka picha zake hapo hivyo afterwards, but in the meantime have a look at this video ndo uone the big surprise that ODI wa MURANG'A has received on his birthday.
Wow. Leo manze, wow. I just want to say a big shout out to Jijiwanji manze. Just look at this gift. Hadi siamini jo. Yani fundamentally form, isi kale ka form ni form. Cheki mrenga. Wow. Manze, God bless you Jijiwanji. Wow. I'm the happiest man. Wow. I just got a baby. Hey, yeah. Another baby. Check your mrenga. Wow. Hadi siamini jo.
Thank you so much manze. Kama uja subscribe kwa hii channel manze, kindly consider doing that. Tuendelee ku grow hii family bigger, na the more inakuwa bigger, the more better things are coming manze. Thank you so much and adios. I'm gonna see you guys in the next video.